Went to Harbor Freight, just looked around, didn't need anything, but I bought little stuff. Dude, cool things, I'm excited. I see everyone use these. These are Harbor Freight, so I can tell that the quality is not as good, but the idea is there, so we'll try that. This week, I'm gonna make a coffee table. It's an idea that I had playing around in my head, and I just figured, why not just make it. Wanna try using a Danish cord. I'm really hoping it's what I'm thinking it's gonna be. If not, then that kind of sucks. I'm just gonna join me. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Basically, the idea behind this is we're gonna have a standard coffee table, and the brackets are actually just gonna be the corners. I'm gonna paint them black. I was thinking for the rail oak, I think that'd be cool. And then I think it would be fun to make like a wooden piece in the middle where you can put your coffee, decor, whatever you want to put. And then on the actual sides, weave it or run the Danish cord through it. In my head, it looks cool. I don't know how it's gonna look in person. And then on the bottom, it would be the opposite of that. So in the middle, you would have the Danish cord, and then on the sides, you would have the piece of wood. Yeah, today is just gonna be metal work. Grind it all down, baby. Now for the actual fun part, it's welding. Welding is fun, let's get it. I'm gonna take a pause on the metalworking. Now, maybe you're asking, why don't you show more to that? Well, that's because I'm embarrassed of the welds. I'm getting better. I'm getting the hang of it, but I'm still not there yet. I would love till the day comes that I don't have to grind so much after I finish welding, but it's passable after grinding. Now that's just gonna dry. We'll take a look after I finish all the metal. Let's go do that. Exhausted and tired, and I really need a haircut, don't I? So now to the actual wood part. Thinking about to paint it first. While that dries, I think I'm gonna start on the wood piece. I feel like I'm in high school again with all this acne. I got the planer out, gonna start planing, then that'll be done. So I've been, this is what I've been doing. I finished cutting up all the legs. I finished spray painting the corners, and now I'm working on gluing up the two, kind of the centered wood part and the bottom parts, and I'm gonna call it a night, unfortunately. Man, I just hate when things always come up. And it's dusty in here. Anyways, besides the point. I have a goal to actually assemble it today. For the most part, I got the round over that I need, so I'm just gonna go through all of them and I'm gonna do some sanding afterwards to just make sure everything fits in. Okay, so that gluing was super stressful, but hey, we got it done.